afternoon. My name is Lesley Lameyer. I'm from a company named Heddle Hardware in Maitland. I was approached by my boss to do a Lead Generation Internship at Flash Academy. With this internship, you learn to grow your lead generator. You follow up on lost and dormant clients. And what I take away from this internship is the basic skills to do all these things. These skills I will maintain in my work to generate more clients and to produce our dormant and lost clients, to revive them as well.